Good morning, students. This video is for class 9 economics. In this video we will discuss why human resource is superior over land and other physical capital, and we will also discuss how investment made on education and healthcare facilities create a virtuous cycle. Let us first discuss why human resource or human capital is superior over land and other physical resource. Human capital is superior over land and other physical capital because land and other physical capital cannot become useful on its own. Only human beings can think. They have thinking power, they have decision making power. Human beings are living beings, and only they can make use of land and other physical resource. Therefore, human resource or human capital is superior over land and other physical capital. Next, let us discuss how investment in human resource create a virtuous cycle. A child with investment made on her or his education and healthcare facilities can yield a higher return in future in the form of higher earning, and he or she help in growth and development of society. Educated parents know the importance of investment made on education and healthcare facilities. Therefore, they send their children to school or provide healthcare facilities to their children. When a child with investment made on her education and healthcare facilities in future grown up into an adult person, after his or her marriage, when he or she will get their children, then he or she send their children to school or provide their children healthcare facilities. So in this way, one-time investment made on education and healthcare facilities create a virtuous cycle. Why? Because when these children will become a grown-up person, when they have their children, they know the importance of healthcare facilities and education. They will also try to send their children to school and provide them healthcare facilities. And in this way, investment on human resource, on human capital create a virtuous cycle or a good cycle.